going to deliver some food to the Supreme Court, to the people who are standing in line, because we hear it's really cold and I'm sure they're really hungry, and they would really appreciate for all these people in our group that are going to go do something good.
I'm one of those lucky DACA recipients that got a spot, so I want to make sure that I go and personally thank those people and really thank them for their efforts, and so they know that they're making an impact in somebody's life.
Es un momento muy emotivo ver a jóvenes, a mamás, a todo tipo de personas ponerse aquí a sentarse a acampar con tal de tener un poquito de mínimo el gusto de ver los argumentos pasar.
This DACA thing can take a while. We don't know how long it's going to take, and you don't even know. One day you just hear, okay, your grandma's sick. Okay, they might pass, because my grandma has cancer. So it's not even that I just lost my dad. I'm still constantly fighting to be able to see my grandparents.